FB token or the part book. Okay, what is part book or the FB token? Welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Jewel. Okay, today I will share with you with this part book. So what is part book? So this is the token, the FB 3030597. So if I click this is the market, to this market. So non-reasonable, non-mintable, liquidity lock, top 10 position is 18.19%. The 24-hour trading is, the highest is 0.003, then the lowest is 5043. Now in 1 minute, the highest is 0.00634, then the lowest is 0.00583. No, so the information of this FB token, they have their Twitter account or the X account, the Telegram, the official website. This is like a Facebook, no, but they have their own token, then the data. So within 5 minutes, so 5 buy, then 3 sell, then buy is 108, then the sell is okay, then the security check, so medium risk, no, I think they have also the low risk, no, big for I will big for you the low signal, no. But if we click the official website, this is the website of the FB token, the part book, no, it's like Facebook. Okay, then they have their Telegram, so this is their Telegram part listing, so you can join 1.4 subscribers, no. Then they have the Twitter or the X account, no. Okay, social media doesn't stink, shit post, sell coins, launch coins, make friends, no. So 2,000 followers, this part book community, then pin post by the admin. Okay, introducing the part launch. So 210 FB tokens born after users purchase trending and verification badge. Remember, only 995.34 million supply. So I think it can be 10x to 100x, no? So I hope you try this new token in Solana, or the meme token in Solana, the FB token or the part book token. But always remember, do research before investing in any cryptocurrencies, especially meme token. Okay, I hope you learned something from my video today, and of course don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Crypto Jewel. Thank you.